Hey everybody, we're out here at Canyonlands National Park today, and for the first hike that we're doing today to take a look at some geology, we are at the Upheaval Dome overlook. So behind me, let me pan back here, this is a big dome structure, and that's the center of the dome, that light layer that you see in there. So a dome is basically like an upside down bowl. So envision taking a bowl and turning it upside down. Right, so you've got a structure that looks like this. Now what's really neat about this particular dome is geologists aren't completely sure how this dome formed. There's two possibilities. The first possibility has to do with the salt that we talked about in another video from Arches National Park. Right? When you have a layer of salt that's deposited and you put rocks on top of it, that salt wants to move upwards because it acts like a liquid. So remember, the salt originally formed down here because this was part of a big basin system. When sea level dropped, the water is stuck in the basin. The water evaporates out of the basin, leaving the salt behind. And later on in time, more rocks got deposited down on top of that. So when you compress that salt moves upwards, and that would push the rocks into that dome shape. The other possibility is a little bit more exciting, and that is that this could actually be a meteorite impact site. Now, the reason why people think that this could be a meteorite impact site is a lot of the layers here, instead of just being pushed up into a gentle dome, are actually almost vertical. And usually that's what we see with meteorite impacts. When a meteorite hits the Earth at over 10,000 miles an hour, it hits with such impact that those nice flat layers will get thrust upwards, nice and vertical. So we see that here, but unfortunately there's no meteorite remains, so we're not 100% sure which one is the correct answer, but both are definite possibilities. Either way, this is a pretty cool structure. We'll see you a little bit later on for some more geology.